how can I change my Gate.io currency as well as the Gate.io default language. Then watch this video to the end as we'll be showing you exactly how easy it is to do this. So you just click on this part of your screen and it should bring this out for you. So you just quickly head to the settings part of the screen and it should bring this for you. So if you notice, for us to change our language, we just click here and we should be able to do that. So if you are from any other country listed here, you can easily change your language immediately. Italy, Portuguese, France, Germany, Spain, Indonesia, what have you, Chinese, Turkey, you can easily change your language. So suppose I select Francis, it will actually restart my Gate.io app and the language will be changed accordingly. Is that making sense? The language will change accordingly. So see what we have here now, the language has been changed. Is that right? So for those that are in France, you can easily change your language to accommodate what you have. See, everything has been changed. So you still go to parameters, which is settings, then you can still change your language back to English. So suppose you want to change your exchange rate to any other currency apart from euro, you click on this button, then scroll down or scroll up, then you can change it accordingly. Suppose you want to change to Great Britain GBP, so you click on it and it should change. So everything you have will be in GBP. Does that make sense? Hope you got value in this video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead to smash the subscribe button right away. Our aim is to bring crypto related value to you. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.